Next, we have ICICI Industrial Credit and Investment Corporation of India. It was actually developed mainly for industrial sector, but then they allowed public also to open their account. It was set up in Jan 1955. So it is a private sector bank. It you have 90% share in the private sector, joint sector 4.1%, public sector is 4.6, and cooperative sector 1.2. This is the banking proportion in our country. So 90% of the banks are private sector banks, and joint sector is between private and public partnership, that is 4.1. Public sector is government banks 4.6, and cooperative sector is 1.2 percentage. So this is the percentage of the types of banks available in our country. This percentage was taken a long back. Maybe this percentage would have changed now, and it is a merchant banking division, and they have different institutions for raising for a different purpose. One is ICICI Asset Management Company. It will be helping in your purchasing and selling the assets of your company. ICICI Mutual Fund, for raising fund through shares and other stock market. ICICI Investor Services, for if they want to invest, you can approach them so that they will see if it is worth investing. And ICICI Banking Corporation is the actual bank for the public. So you have several multiple divisions here, which will clearly say which area you want to take funds for, either asset management or mutual fund or investor services or the banking corporation. So now you have LIC. Next one is LIC, Life Insurance Corporation of India. It is wholly owned by the government of India. So it offers a variety of insurance policies for extend social security. So it is only for life insurance. So you will be paying premium in case of any eventuality. You will be provided with the claim. It also provide loans for housing, water supply, or rural electrification. So housing loans are very cheap in LIC, and it provides the required funding for the government's initiatives on water supply and rural electrification.